Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
So welcome back, guys and gals. So let's update our on Bitcoin as usual on Mondays. So here's a few interesting moments have happened, mostly on the lower time frame on the daily intraday charts. Speaking in two words, our suggestion that it should be moderate bounce to the 41 area was correct, and you can see that market has shown this pullback. And actually some patterns have been formed. Currently, this level seems rather solid on the daily chart, and it's quite suitable for taking short-term bullish positions because upside bounce probably should happen. But the magic question and the intrigue whether the market will be able to restart upward continuation to the major monthly target right now, or it demands a bit deeper retracement. So that's the major question for now. Because on the monthly chart, as already discussed, since market already has passed through the OP target right there, it's broken the Euro pivot resistance one. Last week it was seemed that it's already moved above the 50% level, 42.20, but now as you can see, the market just pulled back to the downside a bit below this area. And with this solid upside acceleration, it's logical to suggest that we should see the XOP and 618 major resistance, 48.50, 51.18, 51.20 area. So that's our next destination point. Currently, we do not have any reason to suggest that it's not achievable, so probably in some perspective market could reach it, but for now we should focus on the performance right there. What stands behind this retracement, how deep this retracement might be, what particular patterns might be formed here. So that's why I think that we will be busy on lower time frame in the nearest few weeks probably. Because on the weekly chart, we'll take a look here. Recall what we said on Thursday last week, that really great thrust, and we could get the brand body here. So because market overextended, even minor retracement to the 37.15 area gives us the brand body buy trading setup. If market will start forming here something different, I don't know, double repo sell, in this case the pullback might be even lower to the 32.50 area is a confidence support. So that's actually what we need to keep an eye on the weekly chart, because thrust and performance is very attractive, and it might be the potentially the background for very good trading stops, for very good directional patterns by the chart Napoli. This reaction just has started, so we don't have yet anything here, but that's the things that we have to keep an eye on. So now we're turning to the most interesting stuff. So by taking a look at the daily chart, you could see what has happened. Here, unfortunately, we can't call it as a brand body, just because here insufficient thrust, and here we have two deep penetrations. If I plan here the moving average, you could see it. So in fact, thrust has started somewhere in this area. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars to the upside. But if we even wouldn't call it as a brand body, we have solid upward momentum and first retracement after this momentum. Despite that we do not have the brand body, we have the bullish stretch pattern on the daily chart. So market hits the oversold right around daily confidence support. This creates potential background, if not for a direct upward continuation, but at least for the healthy upward bounce somewhere to the 43 or even higher area. That's what short-term traders could consider in the nearest time. On the fallout time frame chart, here's some kind of double repo pattern that we have discussed, and we said its minimum target is 41, but you can see that even mostly has completed the 618 level, since here is the actually 40.36 also has been touched. So this setup has been completed that we talked about last week. It's 41 area indeed has been touched. Now on the lower time frame, in the current point right there, it's obviously not the good position for taking new short position if you would like to you will have to wait for a bounce and then trying to see if market will form it, of course, some new bearish setups, because currently when the market stands at oversold and the confluence support, it's definitely not the best place for taking the short position. Correspondingly, we have only one possible direction. Besides, on the daily chart, we have directional pattern, which is a bullish, despite the actually MACD also stands still bullish despite this drop. So it's interesting whether we will have the grabber, right? So you could see today we also could get the grabber, and that potentially could give market even more chances to move above this top. It's additional support factor for the bullish positions, but to get the grabber, market has to close above the MACD. Today 41,777.65. So you could see it right there. So I will use this today's session, and you can see the number. This is on the Coinbase trading. If we will get the grabber, all the better. So in this case, pullback might be not just the 43, but even above this area. So just keep watching on the MACD as well. Finally, by taking a look at the hourly chart, what you could consider for a possible position taking. Downside drop was relatively fast. And very often, in the current situation, in such environment where the market hits very strong support, market could not form reversal pattern. So I suspect that in the current situation, hardly we will get the butterfly to the downside, or double bottom. Double bottom theoretically could be formed, but it's also not very probable. And very often in such a situation, market forms garters triple to buy. So if you will see triple to buy somewhere with around 41, 41.15 area, just keep watching on what ABCD will be formed. Plot here some fib levels, watch for retracements. You theoretically could try to use it for a scalp long position as a possible upper continuation. If we get the grabber by today close, all the better. So it just could increase the horizon on the possible upside target. So that's actually all that we have on the Bitcoin. Volatility has come on the market, which is good. Actually, just means that market could start forming more trading stops right now. So let's keep watching and see what will happen.